That's why I would like to congratulate and appreciate the faculty member and the organizer of this event because of their tireless effort in making this program successful.
On 31st October 2024, Don Bosco College Byndihati for the first time in its history hosted a theatrical performance titled The Gift of the Magi, organized by the Literary and Theatre Club of the institution. The event was graced by the presence of esteemed guests including Mr. Debormi Siat as the chief guest and Mr. Beckett Siang Shai as the guest of honor. The program also saw the attendance of Dr. Fervision Nongtru, principal of Janta Eastern College, and Brother Solomon Swear, principal of Clariat High Secondary School, alongside numerous representatives from various schools and colleges in the Byndihati area. The students of Don Bosco College exhibited great enthusiasm throughout the performance, deeply engaging with the narrative's poignant themes of love and sacrifice. In his address, Mr. Debormi Siat commended the students for their hard work and dedication in presenting a remarkable show. He expressed appreciation for the teachers, particularly Ms. Agatha Walang and her team, whose meticulous efforts contributed to the event's success. Mr. Siat emphasized the transformative power of love, noting its ability to unite families and foster harmony. He also reminisced about the historical significance of theatrical performances, highlighting their role in both education and entertainment.
And if you love anyone, you have to sacrifice by any means you have to sacrifice it in order to succeed. And I just want to comment to all the performers of this story, of this theatrical show, especially the students who have put their efforts, who have put their hard works, who have put their times tirelessly in order to make this program a successful one. I would like to thank the students who have performed such a wonderful program in this moment. And they say that every successful show, there is a teamwork behind the show, right? That's why I would like to congratulate and appreciate the faculty member and the organizer of this event because of their tireless effort in making this program successful. And this program and this theater, it reminds me also during my college life. I remember even me also, I used to take part in this kind of theater, in this kind of program. I remember myself, I used to make funny, I used to make some kind of program.
Under the leadership of Father Daniel D.M. Kaji, SDB, the college is experiencing significant advancement in both academic and extracurricular domains. Events such as this not only engage students actively, but also contribute to their holistic development within the educational framework. The success of the Gift of the Magi stands as a testament to the collective effort of the college community, further enhancing the cultural vibrancy of Don Bosco College, Byndihati.
Gathered this afternoon for this very important occasion, the theatrical show of the college, where our students will showcase their various talents. In the first place, we thank God for giving us this opportunity to be here, sound in mind and body. We thank Him for all the blessings that He has showered upon us all through this semester. I take this occasion to also welcome our chief guest, Mr. Debormi's aunt, our guest of honor, Mr. Beckett Siang Shai. We have with us Dr. Fervision Nongtru, the principal of JEC College. We also have with us the principal of Clariat High Secondary School, Brother Solomon Swear.
you like the Queen of Shillong, which you more than deserve. Oh, I don't want to be late for Christmas.
Well, what would you do without that cake?
I don't know. The what is the most important thing in my life?
Stop it, Jay. You know I just got put it on.
And I love it when you wear it like that. It makes me look so beautiful.
Oh, Jay.
Now, I have to go. But I'll be back as soon as I can.
The sets of goals, but only one of the few were perfect. They were the most beautiful sets with birds and rhinestone.
These are perfect. How much are they? 3,000 rupees. I only have 2,000 rupees. But wait. I have these antique ones. Would you take it in exchange for the difference? See? It's a nice piece. I'll give it.
Jim retorts his face, taps his feet in anxiety, as he has to let go of his most precious possession.